stop scrolling. I'm going to show you guys a few different ways that you can make money from your phone right now. So one of the first ways is to simply start a channel. Now I know that probably sounds super generic, but it's true. You can literally start a channel today and upload videos and make money from views and from sponsorships. It doesn't have to be some crazy viral video. You don't even have to show your face. In fact, a lot of the most successful channels don't even show their face. There are channels out there that make millions of dollars a year, and they literally just take stock footage and they put it over top of a screen recording and they make money from that. So if you can do something like that, or if you want to start a channel where you review products or you do tutorials or you do comedy sketches, whatever it is, you can literally start a channel today and make money from it. The next way to make money from YouTube is through affiliate marketing. Now this is something that I've done for the past couple of years, and it is something that has really helped me grow my income from YouTube. Essentially, with affiliate marketing, you can promote products without actually having to create the product yourself. So if you're really good at finding products that are trending on Amazon, or you find products that you think will be good to promote, you can sign up for an affiliate program, get an affiliate link, and then paste that into a link tree or a link blaster, and then paste that into the description of your video. So anytime someone clicks on that link and buys the product, you'll get a commission. This is a really great way to make passive income on YouTube, because once you create the content, it'll make money for months or even years to come. Another way to make money from YouTube is through selling merch. If you have a channel that has a large audience, you can sell merch to that audience. The great thing about selling merch is that you can create it once and then sell it over and over again. So if you're able to create a really good product that your audience likes, you can make a lot of money from it. So those are a few different ways that you can make money from YouTube. But do you know any other ways to make money on YouTube? Comment down below